You got the wrong guy. I'm the dude, man.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the Dude Flips. My name's Steve. We're about to hit some garage sales. Let's see what we can pick up.
Pretty much.
Good morning, how are you all doing? Good. A little bit of everything.
Yes, you need to buy lots.
Oh my goodness. They're even solving the table out from under him.
The tables for sale.
I know, I saw that.
Good morning.
How's it going?
I brought some extra money too, just in case. Because sometimes people get buy something for $1.
We're gonna look at.
I was just checking this out.
Yeah, it's kind of a retro thing.
Yeah.
It's got a turntable and everything.
Oh, nice. Does it work?
Yeah.
Yeah?
As far as I know, it worked when it was out in the cottage. And but not very often. Nobody ever,
Yeah, yeah.
Absolute. Good morning. Let me find out for you. Give me a couple minutes here. I'm just a cashier. Hey Lisa, does Hank have any fishing equipment? No, okay. No fishing, okay.
That's okay, I answered it.
Karen, that's not Lisa.
Oh, I'm sorry, it's Karen.
Sam, half the time my
I bet you,
kindergarten.
I'm sorry, I bet you.
Yes, we do, Sam.
You need that? Oh, damn. Is it motion activated or just gotta hit the button?
It is. I don't know which setting it is. There's a, there's a sensor there somewhere.
Okay.
They just pop out of there.
Okay. Does this work?
Oh yeah, it's just a light bulb in there.
Okay, okay. How much is it?
$2.
$2. Let me make a power here.
Sure.
I have a slot on there as well. Yeah. She's two. Is going on 17. And in the last 6 months, he's started to put down. He's still happy as can be.
No. Does this have a power cord? It's like a Ethernet. Look at these. Oh, it's in there. Okay, okay. I guess. Oh, that one didn't have one. Maybe there's two or something. Is this a Halloween thing or is this just a decorative?
She's always used it at Halloween time.
Okay. Pretty cool looking.
Yeah.
So, I think I'm done. I have all this stuff and then I was gonna see what the best deal I can get on the turntable.
$50 for the whole thing.
Yeah, I'll do that. That's 40.
All money, man.
There you go. Appreciate it. All right, so I've almost sold all the stuff from that sale. Here's a list of everything. The only thing I haven't sold is that black and orange cabinet deal. And I'm asking 200. Probably not gonna get 200, but maybe I can get $100 out of it. It's just really cool looking. How's it going?
Nothing majorly collectible.
What is this?
Red unit, sorry. Yep.
What is this?
It's Hunt a Killer. It's like a home.
It's like a home mystery, murder mystery thing, and they came over the span of 6 weeks and they're supposed to go together. It's like a murder mystery.
They all go together?
Half of them, there's 2 sets, so there's 2 sets of 6.
Oh,
And we
okay.
haven't even, we opened one of them, we did it for a little while, and then we were like,
Having a child,
yeah.
maybe not the best thing. You have to have time to like sit down and figure out who
But yeah, there's 2 sets of 6, the bottom half of one. And the top.
Okay.
the whole like Facebook dress.
We do 10 for the stack? It's
Yep.
11.
Sure.
Cool.
Good luck with your murder mysteries.
Yeah, appreciate it. Good luck with your garage sale.
Thanks.
How's it going?
Hello.
How much are your book sets?
Pardon me?
How much are these?
5 for each.
5 each? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Go this way some. Or you want to just leave it like that?
It's fine.
Okay.
How much are your bikes?
The bikes are marked 40 each.
40 each? Okay. So it was at this moment I noticed the guy next to me was holding
Yeah.
one of these.
Yeah, I'll just wait for him.
And if you know, you know. It kind of seemed like he was going to put it down too. So I was just waiting for that to happen. I really needed a distraction at this moment. Oh wait, what's this? A guy carrying 2 hoverboards. Perfect.
How much is that bar?
Boards are 20. Yeah, but I mean,
Let me get these from you. It's 10.55.
These three?
These three things.
These
yeah.
three, okay.
Not the
Not
one
that,
under.
okay.
Sorry.
Okay, 20. Okay, no, thank you.
All right, thank you.
Okay.
Have a good one.
You too.
As soon as I got that camera, I was gone.
Oh, yeah!
Alright, y'all. I hope you enjoyed that video. Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching. Those are some pretty fun garage sales. I really like that Canon camera at the end. And I'm glad that guy put it down. So if you like that kind of stuff, like and subscribe. And stick around because there's a bunch more videos coming up. Peace out.
You're still here? It's over. Go home.